In early 2000, there were data that came out that they said Queensland was at the highest birth teenage pregnancy, and so the department said the members of the team that I had invited, they said that will encourage more, teen pregnancy if you have them come out to Gujigu and they spend the nights in Gujigu. That so they packed. They didn't want to be part of it.
She was so excited, and a deaf student was coming, taking my hand. And I know this deaf student very well because she used to just go around the streets in Ebeye. But here she was in the camp. She was leading me to what she was sewing. She sewed a pillowcase during that 2024 summer camp, and she was so excited about it. She took me in and showed me her work, and that was something that really touched me during the 2024 summer camp, even though I was only there for the closing. So I decided that I must join in 2025.
Our national standardized tests were always like out of the 87 schools within the RMI, we were ranked maybe in the 70s. So we had to do something about it. We wanted to change the concept of the learning system, like a STEM education concept. So that's when we started bringing experts in Marshallese culture, weaving, canoe building, all sorts of Marshallese experts that were invited. We even had people from Guam, the University of Guam, who came in. They were studying STEM education as well as their in the master program.
In this 2026 Spartan Camp, we have included 4 new courses for the 2 weeks, and 2 are marine science and climate change. Here students learn about the ocean ecosystems and the impact of climate change. This builds awareness and stewardship. They begin to see themselves as protectors of the environment, understanding that their actions matter locally and globally. Also, we have the AI, Google mapping, and also the drone technology. These tools give Spartans modern problem-solving capacity. They learn to map risks, monitor environments, and respond before or after natural disasters. This equips them with the technical literacy and confidence to use innovation for community safety.
Hi, my name's Neville Maijon. I'm from the Marshall Islands, and today I'm here with summer camp to see what they're doing and to have fun. So what I've been learning so far, my favorites, I really like the drones, to learn how to fly drones because I didn't know how to fly drones, and now I'm good at it. I also like climate change because you get to learn the weather out here in the Marshall Islands, and it's very fun to be here and to learn other activities and learn from other people who come from other countries and stuff.
Yahweh and hello everyone. My name is Seniko Hertzen and I am 17 years old, and I'm currently here at Ebeye Gujigu for the summer camp of 2026. When I was a camper, I came here to learn and experience new things and also wouldn't normally learn on a daily basis, like the culture things like sewing and the handicraft stuff. And now that I'm here as a worker or facilitator, I get to see behind the scenes of everything. I get to see how they prepare for summer camp and also help the students make an experience of their own and also contribute to their growth.
After the first year, it was very successful, and so before April of the following 2018, the department heads that were against the idea then in 27, they came in. They came up to me and asked, "So when are we starting to plan the next, the summer camp?" Because they saw it was a success, and it has been successful since then. Now next year it'll be our 10th year anniversary, and we are already starting to plan a big program